Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Travel With Us. We are on our final day of our island hopping. We are currently in Bitaug Beach. The winds are so strong that it threw away our drone. It got hit by the board and fell down. We are fortunate to know that the drone is still alive. Moments later, the beast mode resumes. Swimming, snorkeling, and sunbathing are all popular activities at Bitaug Beach. There are also several rock formations and calcareous peaks that provide a backdrop to the white sand beaches and are reminiscent of other Palawan paradise resort. Our final stop is at Pagkawasan Beach Resort. Aside from the pristine water, Pagkawasan is the best place to chill, with trees and a breathtaking sunset to cap the day. The stars of this resort, however, are the rock formations that are easy to climb during the low tide. The best thing about Dinagat Island is that its beautiful destinations are mostly untouched and are not yet commercialized, so it's easy to enjoy them in their more natural state. When joining the Dinagat Island tour, make sure that Pagkawasan is part of the destination to go to. It's time to leave Dinagat. The trip is very relaxing and the moments spent will be a memorable one. We are back to Surigao to spend a couple of days and chill out with family before leaving for Manila. We are now making our grand arrival at Sofitel Philippine Plaza Manila. Nestled in a tropical setting close to the largest convention center and the Mall of Asia, this 5-star accommodation includes 607 rooms and suites with balconies showcasing spectacular views of Manila Bay sunsets. At a prime location, The hotel attracts international and local travelers alike with its signature Filipino brand of hospitality and the French joie de vivre. The Spiral is the hotel's luxurious 26,910 square foot flagship restaurant, which has 21 interactive dining ateliers with elaborate food spreads and opportunities to interact with the chefs. L'épicerie is a room with more than 200 different kinds of cheeses from all over the globe. We haven't even come close to eating all the buffets in Asia. But so far, this is the grandest breakfast, in all senses of the word grand, that we've tried so far. The buffet is so big and so extensive that we really have no idea where to start. We are looking forward to stay in Sofitel again, just to taste their Asian food spreads. For foodies who are watching this video, this place would easily become one of your favorites. Bask under the sun and cool yourself down at the hotel's lagoon-shaped swimming pool, a perfect place for children to play. We have a great time in Philippines and we hope you enjoyed watching our video. Do subscribe and keep supporting us by watching our videos. See you in our next adventure. Until then, take care and bye.